Hello folks, my name is Michael Vandenberg. I'm the author of this book, Obamacare Loopholes, Freedom to Not Participate. And in this video I'm going to be discussing the number 2 reason why Obamacare is dead. And whenever I was searching through the Obamacare statutes, I discovered that we're under no duty to act. And what does that mean? What they did is they decided to use, you can verify this on page 336 of Obamacare statutes. They made the penalty, I'll read it real quick, shall be assessed and collected in the same manner as an accessible penalty under subchapter B of chapter 68. And that is chapter 68 of title 26 Internal Revenue Code. What they're using is section, you can go verify this, section 6671, rules for application of accessible penalties. And whenever I went through chapter 68, all through that, I discovered that they put a term, they defined the term person under B of 6671. I'll go ahead and read this real quick. The term person as used in this subchapter includes an officer or employee of a corporation or a member or employee of a partnership who as such officer, employee, or member is under a duty to perform the act in respect of which the violation occurs. Now that is very crucial because the only way that the IRS can legally apply a penalty to anyone is if that person was under a duty to perform the act. Now I ask everyone out there, do you have a duty to buy health insurance? Do you have a duty to buy health insurance? That's a legitimate question. Now, if we base that upon what the Supreme Court has already ruled, they said that the government has a right to tax us for our health insurance. They didn't say that the government has the right to make it a duty to buy health insurance. No, they did not say that. Because if you actually think about it, within the statutes, everybody has a right to not buy health insurance and just pay a penalty. Now, if we were under a duty to buy health insurance, then the act of just not buying health insurance and paying a penalty, it would be impossible to do. They would say, no, you have to buy some health insurance, period, or you're going to jail, because everybody has a duty regardless to buy health insurance. But they can't do that. There's no way that would pass the muster test. People just cannot afford this expensive health care. Now, if you're on a jury, how can you sit there and find somebody guilty if they did not buy health insurance? And they claimed their right that I have no duty, I'm under no duty to act. What's the IRS going to do? I believe that they will not take anyone to court because in reality, the fact is, it is dead. They have no authority to apply any penalty to anyone because there is no way that they can sit there and say that anyone has a duty to buy health insurance. It's impossible because there is no duty. And you also point out that the Supreme Court has already ruled it is just a tax, that there is no duty for anyone to buy health insurance. I hope I made that very clear. That is the number 2 reason why Obamacare is dead. And make sure you tell all your friends and family to go to ikilledobamacare.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.